Hi guys, I am going to be making a nice Christmassy drink, and I haven't used my coffee maker in ages, so I just washed that about 3 times, and I received this sample from Sample Source. Thank you very much, Sample Source, for some ethical bean coffee. And it's called Lush. It's a medium dark roast, and I do love dark roasts. So let me open up the package. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it says, this one gave a village in Honduras access to medical care. This one helped teach a child to read. So that is pretty cool. So let me measure this out. Last year, I was looking at buying a coffee latte machine or an espresso machine with a wand for frothing up the milk. And I found one that was a decent price. I put it in the cart. I walked away for about an hour before I placed the order. I came back, they jacked the price up $70. So I sent the seller an email, but I had come across this jug for, it was like a sixth of what I would have paid for that whole machine. And I thought, well, this is a better purchase because it's less of an investment, it does the same job, and it doesn't take up too much space. Why not? So I bought it, but I never used it, so let me unbox it, but I'll just show you. There's the model number. And I got it off of Amazon. So this is how it comes packed. Okay, that's it there. And it comes with 2 little, what are they called here? Whisks. The one with the wire is for frothing only, and the other one is for heating only. And that little brush is probably to clean that wire, I'm guessing, that's around that one whisk. Okay, so this was on the bottom, and I'm guessing that's just to protect, make sure it doesn't get hooked up. You have to clean these guys before you use it, just using some soapy water. This is the lid. There's a silicone around as a seal, and whatever whisk you're not using fits into the lid so that you have a place to store the extra one always. Sorry, it keeps going in and out of focus, annoying. Okay, so that is the spare one. I'm not going to use the heating element to heat the milk. And the other one just pops into place down there. Okay, so the coffee's done and I'm ready to load this puppy up. And I'm going to be using the President's Choice Rich and Creamy Candy Cane Eggnog. And this isn't overly sweet. It's a very mild, I would say. Like, it is way sweeter to use like those Coffee Mate or the other brands of flavored sweetener creamers. So let me put some in here. So there's a maximum fill line for heating, for the heating whisk, and a maximum fill line for the whisking one. Okay, for frothing only, please hold the on button. After 2 to 3 seconds, the blue light will be lit. When it stays lit for 65 seconds, and then the red light flashes for 30 seconds, indicating the frothing is complete. So, let's see here. Both lights are on. I don't know if I'm supposed to, if I did something wrong. I can hear it working. There, it's working its magic. Steaming or something. Well, it's not supposed to be heating it. Well, I think it's done. Okay, just put a little bit of, I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. The red light turns off automatically. I'm going to add some more coffee. Sorry, I can't see in film. Looks pretty good. And there's still plenty in there. So it looks good. Now let me give it a try. Yep, that's a winner. That tastes very good. It's not too sweet. Yummy.